Today I will be walking you through a step-by-step of how to make your own pattern. Hi guys, it's Mary here. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome to my channel. In this channel we teach how to sew. We do upcycling, we do home decor. I have lots of ideas to share with you guys. So stay tuned for more videos coming up.
Good job!
Patterns can be sometimes a bit expensive.
This is not ideal.
And sometimes you won't find the design that you're looking for or the details that you would like to create. Today I will be walking you through a step-by-step of how to create your own pattern. I will also show you so many varieties of what can you use as a pattern paper and within the budget.
Oh yeah!
I will also show you how to customize and add more details to your pattern. Also, I encourage you to stay to the end of the video. There is an extra tip of how to care for your pattern.
Oh, wow!
And be able to reuse it over and over and over again. So let's get started. So I'll be showing you all the material that I've been using to create my own bag. So these papers are just like a gift wrapping, but I found them in Dollar Tree or Dollar Store. Also, you can use construction paper. I made this pattern with construction paper. I attached the construction paper like you see and just create this pattern. These plastic sheets are for cutting food on it. I found them in Dollar Tree. And cardstock too. Today I'll be doing the pattern on this wrapping paper. So just a quick tip, try to mask it to the table with a masking tape so you can work with it.
Oh, please.
And also you can add your pattern weights so you hold it in place. So all I'm going to do now is just trace my my shorts. I'm doing the shorts because this is the simplest thing. Maybe later video I'll go harder and harder. Just we're starting from scratch here. So what I did, I put one of the legs inside the other leg of the short. I'm adding 1-inch seam allowance all around the short. For the hem, I will be adding more. Now I'm going to start cutting the first piece of my pattern, which is the front of my shorts.
There you go.
Now moving along, I took my front side of the shirt and I'm going to trace it and add more curve to the crunch. You will notice that I'm shifting my pattern a little bit to the back to add more curve to my back crunch. Always for the shorts, the back crunch is bigger than the front crunch. Again, I'm using a masking tape because it keeps moving on me. Now we are going to work on the waistband. So what I did is I'm going to measure the waist of this short. That's with any garment. You measure and then you trace. You start creating your pattern. So I measure the waist and I fold my measuring tape on two half and just made one piece, and this piece will be cut in half.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications so you won't miss a thing. I will be uploading so many videos. I have lots of ideas to share with you. So hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification, and let's go back to the video.
And then all I did, I marked that and I added another inch for seam allowance. Now we are going to customize our own pattern by adding pockets. So as you can see, the shorts did not have a pocket. So what I'm doing really, I'm just adding a curve to the front side of the shorts. And now I'm going to have two rectangles. These are will be representing or will be the parts for the pocket itself where your hands will go.
Ah, that would be great. Thank you, thank you.
Now we have all the pieces for our pattern. And here is the bonus part, as I promised. We are going to really cover our pattern with this transfer tape. So I'm just going to just take my pattern, replace it, and then cut around it.
Oh, wow. This is huge. Look at the size of that thing.
So this part took forever. I just took really long time to be able to peel it out. Now the rest of the steps is really very easy. You just place your pattern face down. First, I'm gonna show you a way. This one I'm doing is face like the side which have the writing. I have it faced up, so I'm only covering the back of the pattern. Why? Because I want to be able to go back and write more details on the front piece. For example, that's one way. There's another way where I did the other side of my shorts is I cover the front piece instead of the back. Now all I'm doing now is trimming all the axes. And here we have it. We're gonna do the same exact thing for the other piece of the pattern. And this part again.
This is not ideal.
Exactly. And here we go.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it.
Ever heard sharing is caring?
Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!